Welcome back to my YouTube channel, BMF Speed Shop. I'm out here with the 85 Chevy Chevette. I've been driving it around the yard. I've been running it. It runs pretty well, but it's leaking some stuff underneath there. It looks like the transmission pan gasket. So I went on Rock Auto and I ordered a bunch of stuff for it. I got a new timing belt, trans filter, all belts, plugs, gaskets, wires, distributor cap, and rotor. So basically a whole tune-up for the car. I also plan to probably replace the alternator. The fuel pump on this car is way in there. And I remember mine failed on my old car, so I bought an electric fuel pump and I mounted it over here. So and I added an extra filter besides the filter that's right here. But I got to change that filter and buy an extra fuel pump just for a backup because I'm not changing that one. And I noticed that my car didn't have AC back in the day, but this one does. So getting to that distributor cap to change the plug wires is way underneath there. I can't even see any which way to get to the distributor cap and rotor. So that should be interesting. I think I'm going to have to take the AC compressor off. Yeah. Chevette life. The heater motor's not working, so I'm going to replace this and then go through all the fuses and check everything. But also, when I went to turn it to heat, I snapped the thing off because it hasn't been moved in so long. But, so I'm going to have to go to the junkyard. So this Saturday I'll be getting a video of me going to the junkyard. But, yeah, let's see what else did we do. We patched the rockers. There was some rust on each rocker panel. I replaced like 17 inches on one side and 21 inches on the other side. It was so cold I couldn't do any body work on it. It turned out okay. I mean, this thing is just a driver. It's got dings and dents. They hit a deer with it or something, so it's not like the rear quarter back there's got a dent in it. It's not like a show quality car by any means. But I mean, it isn't bad either. It's not bad. It's a good driver. I made some headlight covers for it because that's the first thing you do when you turn 16 is you make headlight covers for your car. And I also painted this air filter. Got a new air filter for it too, but smoke's a little on startup. I'm pretty sure this EGR valve, little UFO looking thing, needs to be replaced. So I'm going to order that. And the water pump and all the other. Start ordering more stuff. But yeah, Rock Auto, it's crazy. I think this is like the world's cheapest daily driver. I got all this stuff over here for like $50. Like, the spark plug wires were $2 a set. The rotor was $1. The distributor cap was $1. Like, everything for this car was wholesale, sitting on a shelf for years. So it's pretty awesome. I'll probably be able to restore this whole car for like $500, front to back. Rebuild kits for everything. I mean, it's pretty crazy. So, I don't know if this is the kind of stuff you're into. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.